What's up, Dobie? I'm Justin Soto, and it's time for Dobie.
Whatever happened to predictability? The milkman, the paperboy, evening TV. You miss your old familiar friends, but waiting just around the bend. Everywhere you look, there's a heart, a hand to hold on to. Everywhere you look, there's a look of somebody who needs you. When you're lost out there and you're all alone, life is waiting to carry you home. Everywhere you look, everywhere you look.
Good morning. I'm Hannah Garcia, and this is the Dobie News. Health and academic news coming up next, but first, the pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And now, the Texas pledge.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
And now, a moment of silence. You may now be seated. And now here's Cassandra De La Fuente with the Health Minute.
What's up, Dobies? I'm Cassandra De La Fuente, and this is a Health Minute.
Do the 6 to help stop coronavirus.
1. Hands.
Wash them often regularly for 20 seconds with soap and water or alcohol-based hand rub.
2. Elbow.
Cough into your elbow. Cover your nose and mouth with a disposable tissue or a flex double when you cough or sneeze.
3. Face.
Don't touch your face. Don't touch your eyes, nose, or mouth if your hands are not clean.
4. Space. Keep a safe distance. Avoid close contact with people while out in public. Stay 2 meters or 6 feet apart. 5. Home. Stay if you can. Stay caught up on school assignments. Give yourself breaks when needed. Ask your parents what you can do to help. 6. Wear a mask when out in public.
Attention teachers and students. All staff will be returning to BMS on Monday, November 9th. 6th graders will also return to Brown Middle School on November 9th if their parents chose face-to-face instruction or combination instruction. If your parents chose remote instruction, you will continue distant learning from your home. 7th and 8th grade students will return to BMS on November 16th if their parents chose face-to-face or combination instruction. If your parents chose remote instruction, once again, you will continue logging in and learning from home.
Reminder for returning face-to-face and combination students. We're preparing the classroom for your safe return. Here are some rules we expect you to follow. Number 1. Wear a mask over your nose correctly the entire time you're on campus. Number 2. No physical contact. No hugs, handshakes, or high fives. Number 3. Self-screen. If you feel sick, tell a parent and stay home and learn from there until you're better. Number 4. Keep your hands clean, sanitize, and to yourself. Avoid touching surfaces you don't need to. Number 5. Keep to the right when walking down the hallway. This will help with social distancing. Number 6. Curb your enthusiasm. Live students will get the exact same lesson as online students. No recess, no activities that require contact, and no gym equipment or balls.
Well, that's all for me. Back to you guys in the studio.
Thank you, Cassandra. And now here's Arlene Guerra with the academic announcements.
Good morning, Dobies. I'm Raylene Guerra, and these are your academic announcements.
Attention students! Your core classes, Math, Science, ELA, and History meet live every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Your elective classes, PE, Fine Arts, Technology, and Spanish, meet live every Tuesday and Thursday. You are still expected to check in Monday through Friday to all your classes for work and attendance. Thank you.
The Brown Middle School Dobie UIL academics team invites you to join our competitive UIL events. Check out the Google Forms in your classes to get more information from a coach.
Attention Dobies! Keep reading and AR testing. Join Ms. Trujillo's Google Classroom to get information about ebooks. Thank you.
Attention Dobies. The tutoring schedule is as follows. Monday History, Tuesday Math, Wednesday ELA, Thursday Science, Friday TBA. Thank you.
Attention Dobies! Check out our BMS online library. Bring in the spooky season right with our book of the week, The Dark 30, Southern Tales of the Supernatural, a collection of ghost stories with African American themes. Designed to be told during The Dark 30, the half hour before sunset when ghosts seem all too believable.
Well, that's all for me. Back to you in the studio.
Thank you, Arlene. And now here's Luis Morales with the BMS Extra.
What's up, Dobie? It's Luis Morales, and this is the BMS Extra.
On the menu for today, Friday, cereal or graham crackers for breakfast. For lunch, pepperoni pizza, steamed baby carrots, milk, and juice. And of course, on Friday, you will be given extra food for the weekend.
The pickup areas are BMS Sam Houston Elementary, the Dollar General by the Padre de Vida apartments, and different buses through our community. So pick it up and enjoy.
Attention students, we have plenty of Wi-Fi hotspots available. Let your parents know. They just need to call us at 956-657-3324 to fill out a quick survey, and we will set an appointment for pickup. Thank you.
The Dobie News is looking for few good reporters to join our already winning team. So if you think you got what it takes, then join our Google Classroom by copying the code below.
Good morning, Dobies. I'm Valerie Gutierrez, and this is your Peace Positivity. The sun is a daily reminder that we too can rise again from darkness, that we too can shine our own light. Now you know, and knowing is half the battle.
Good morning, Dobies. I'm Sebastian Hernandez, and welcome to This Day in History.
On October 23, 1989, 23 people died in a series of explosions sparked by an ethylene leak at a factory in Pasadena, Texas. The blasts, which took place at a Phillips Petroleum Company plant, were caused by inadequate safety procedures. The explosion could be heard for miles in every direction, and the resulting fireball was visible at least 15 miles away. 23 workers at Phillips were killed, and another 130 were seriously injured as the first explosion set off a chain reaction of blasts.
Well, that's all for today. For more on this story, go to history.com.
Well, that's all for me. Back to you guys at the studio.
Thank you, Luis. And now here's Kylie Leza with the sign of the week.
Hello, my name is Kylie Lessa, and the sign of the week is friends. One more time. Friends. That's all for me. Bye.
Thank you, Kylie. And now here's Jocelyn Gonzalez with the birthday announcements.
Good morning, Lois. I'm Jocelyn Gonzalez, and here are your birthday announcements.
Happy birthday goes out to the following students:
Mia Marquez and Ingrid Tavera. Happy birthday.
Well, that's all for me. Back to you guys in studio.
Thank you, Jocelyn. Well, that's all the announcements for today. Once again, I'm Hannah Garcia. And if no one has told you yet, you are loved. Stay safe, wash your hands, wear a mask, and have a great BMS day. Good morning. I'm Hannah Garcia, and this is the Dobie News. I'm looking at the wrong camera. You may now be seated. And now here's Cassandra De La Fuente with the there she is, the health minute. Yeah, okay. Thanks, Jocelyn. Well, that's all. Dang it.